One of the noises we most commonly get in the dishwasher is a slow RPM, and it's usually a tick, tick, tick. Don't call for service. What's happening is one of your sprayers is just hitting something, and it's usually something along the lines of a cookie sheet or something like that. It makes noise, and it's enough noise to escape the dishwasher and draw your attention. And what happens is you're kind of listening to it and you're like, oh man, all right, it's making a weird noise, we're gonna call for service. But more often than not, you empty out that dishwasher, and when the tech comes, there's nothing in there for the sprayer to hit anymore, and it won't make the noise because it can't make that noise. So if you're getting that slow ticking noise inside of your dishwasher, don't call for service. Just open the door gently, crack the door, wait for the water to stop spraying, open it, and just look around. You're probably gonna find that something has been hitting the sprayer. Move it if you can.